Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan, and today I'm gonna start a new series of video about burgers. Yes, I know that each time you are checking for new videos about barbecue, you are looking for ribs or pulled pork or brisket and things like that. And I know there are a lot of ways to make burgers in the US, grilled, smashed, fried, and things like that. Okay, so I had 5 restaurants in Europe, and in my 5 restaurants, we were selling in each of them about 15 to 20,000 burger per year. Okay, so I decided to share all what I know and all my burger recipe, my best burger recipe, the best sellers from Smokehouse Europe. Okay, so for that recipe, we need the first thing that we need to make a good burger is a good bread. Please take a good bread. You can find a good bun recipe on the internet. You can buy at your bakery store. You can ask for a good burger bun, okay, but please don't buy those cheap burger buns that you will find on any mega store. Okay, the second thing that you need here, I will take a corn. It's a bun made from corn flour, and it's very good. The second thing that you need to make a good burger is, of course, a good meat. And for that, this is the burgers that I use to buy for my restaurant. These are Black Angus. It's Irish Black Angus burgers. But what is important is that those burgers are 70-30. It means that there is 70% of muscle, okay, for 30% of grease. So this is very important, especially when you grill a burger on a barbecue. Okay, you can do it by yourself by grinding some picanha, some brisket or anything else, but what is really important is to get at least 20-25% of grease for 70-75% of muscle. Okay, then we will need some bacon. That recipe is the bacon explosion. You maybe already have seen my video about the bacon explosion, the meatloaf with bacon and French cheese and jalapeno and spices and cheddar and it's smoked. We will do the same recipe in a burger. So we will grill the meat with a lot of bacon, of course. A good barbecue sauce, I use the Blues Hog. A good rub, I use the Hickory bacon from Pit Boss. I use some French cheese, so this is Emmental, but you can use some Gruyere or any white other French cheese. Use some cheddar, if it's good cheddar, of course. But in this recipe, I think that the Emmental or the Gruyere, the Swiss cheese, is better than cheddar. Cheddar is more for a classic burger. Okay, so some Emmental slices, some salad, onions, and tomatoes. For the side, I will prepare some corn. It's really easy to do. You will just put some rub in the corn and some butter, and let the butter melt in the barbecue. Okay, and it's very good. It's a winner. That corn is really a winner. And for the fries, I will make real Belgian fries. So I am from Belgium, so I will use beef tallow to make the fries, to fry the French fries. Okay, beef tallow is the best thing, but if you don't have, of course, you can do the fries like you do usually. Okay, let's go. All right, this is a patty. I could cook it, grill it like that, but I'd rather prepare it to make a new patty, okay, with some rub. Okay, so I will mix the rub with the meat and make a bowl. All right, and now that I have a beautiful bowl, I will smash it a bit And now with my thumb, I will create a cavity in the middle of the patty. Okay, so why do I make this cavity inside the patty? It's just because when you grill it, the meat try to inflate. Okay, so by doing this, I prevent the meat to inflate, and the patty will stay right straight on the grill. And if I want to give a good wood taste to my meat, I can use some chunks. So here I will just throw some chunks of mesquite directly over the coals. For the corn, I will just put some butter and some spices and let it heat directly over the fire. So I close the lid of the barbecue, but as you can see, the chimney is open to the max, and the intake under the grill is open to the max as well. Alright, it's time to grill the meat directly over the flames. And to avoid to burn down the meat with the flames, because the grease is dripping over the coals, I will close the lid of the barbecue. So what you have to know is the outside of the grill is always cooler than the center, of course. Okay, so to prevent any grease fire, you can just move the meat on the outside, and if you don't want to close the lid, of course, and still cook on the outside like on any other grill, to prevent those grease fire. One more minute and it's perfect. The first thing to know when you dress a burger is that you will never put the sauce directly over the bread, because the bread will absorb the sauce and it will become soggy, and it will be a mess when you will eat it. So start with the salad. Now the problem is that if you put the tomato directly over the salad, and that you put the patty, the meat patty, over the tomato, the meat will slide out of the burger, okay, when you eat it. So it's a mess as well. So we will first put the meat and the bacon. All right. Okay. I know you can put your sauce, the onions, the tomato, whatever you want, and the jalapeno peppers. So this was the video of the bacon explosion burger. Okay, I really see you soon on a new video about burger, maybe on next week. Okay, so please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.